Enhanced Workflow is our module in enablement which connects business processes and sends and manages notifications inside or outside of Dynamics NAV. Next, we'll quickly create a purchase order and use either the standard Send Approval Request button or the Enhanced Information Fact box to trigger the enhanced workflow. From the Role Center, we can see any enhanced workflows that I have open by pressing the Open Workflows tile. Once I have a record, I can press Linked Record to see what it is, and I can select a response from the fact box. Enhanced Workflow enables people to respond from outside of Dynamics NAV through email, meaning that you can respond to it whilst on the train after a meeting. Here you can see an example of a notification sent from the system. I can open the report to view the purchase order, and I can press a link in the email, optionally enter a comment, and press Send to send it back to our automated user Nora, who will process it accordingly. If I go back to NAV, you'll notice that the document has now changed to Released as my response has been processed. A response enhanced workflow can be set up so the person who triggers it is notified with each person who responded to it. If you like what you see or you want any more information, all of our contact details can be found on our website www.thenavpeople.com.